So you've decided you need some extreme protection for that project. Great job. Pressure wash that dirt and mud off. We don't want that there. A light sand never hurt anyone. 320 grit will sort you out. A bit of metho. Let's wipe off that sanding dust. Tape up those special bits. Now let's mix that hardener into the base. This is where you'd add your colour tint if you were going for the colour option. Lifton beers will sort those elbows out, but so will this. Spray gun into the bottle. Attach the air compressor and prepare to look like a champion. Slow, even coats will give the best result. Your standard air compressor will do this just fine. And once done, it's time to sit back, do what you enjoy most and survey your handiwork. The Cobra bed liner is available in two options, black or tintable colour.